I got box from games and let's open it. And it's GameSir X4. This is the new game controller. It's designed for Xbox. It supports Game Pass for 1 month. Let's open it and see what's inside the box. First, let's see what's inside here. They have a USB cables, and as you can see, they have a sticker for GameSir and Xbox Gamepass and the manual. Let's see what's inside the bag. Just see the quality. They have a double tape. If you know what is that for what, let me know. And just see the game controller. It's high quality. It's working with Android and iOS. If you like to buy this product, just go to the description and buy it. Thank you for watching.